Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to upload multiple photos at once to Google Drive with just your mobile phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your drive. So I'm going to click on here. Just like so. After you open up your drive, next thing you need to do is to simply click on new right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on upload. Then the next thing you need to do is to head over to your phone images. Then the next thing you want to do is to select the photo that you would like to upload. So let's, for instance, I want to upload about 5 different photos at a go. What you need to do is to simply click and hold down, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you want to do is to select another one. Just begin to tap. So each time you are tapping, it's selecting as so. Now at the top right here, you can see 5 selected. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on select right here. Preparing to upload 5. Then the next thing we want to do is to track on our progress bar. I have to swipe this way like so. Then I have to make sure I come here and click on here. And then we have everything right here. So we have it right here. So what I'm going to do here is to simply click on resume. And in a few seconds, we have to make sure that all the upload progress bar completely. So just like so, send. Everything has been successfully uploaded. So by the time I simply go back to my drive, by the time I refresh, you will see all the picture that was uploaded at a go. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to upload multiple photos at once to Google Drive with just your phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.